Good morning, everyone. Um, right now it is early morning, around close to 8 o'clock in the morning, and I came outside to walk among the trees, and I am walking barefoot to get some grounding into my life for today. So we are just walking around with the trees barefoot and feeling the joy and the calmness of the earth around us and seeing the beautiful scenery of everything around us, all the trees and the fresh air. So my feet is a little bit cold, but it is good to be out and enjoying the fresh air and walking